Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. Now all we have to do is to tap on this arrow in the right upper corner to open more options. The second bar is connected with the timer. As you can see, we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted. So now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will take a photo. All right. So this is how it works. And if you wish to turn it off, just go to the options again. So the option in the right upper corner and mark off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. If you're not the biggest fan of this, maybe not a countdown, but delay, you have to simply tap on this option here and your device will take photos immediately. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.